3, 2, starting new, what's up? This is New E. Hello!
Hello guys, my name is John. Rapper dancer this group. Hello.
Hello, K-Popcon! My name is Tad, and I'm the leader of New E!
Hello po, I'm Maki and I'm a visual and vocalist of this group.
Hello everyone, I am Al, and I'm the main vocalist of UE. Hello.
Hi guys, my name is Wilson, I'm the vocalist of this group. Nice to meet you everyone.
Okay, so, we all know na K-pop convention tong pinuntahan natin. So, hindi kami magpapahuli. Meron din kami surprises for you guys.
Meron?
Meron ba?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo alam. Parang nag-practice tayo nito. Sino dito ang engines? Wow! Okay guys, sino muna yan?
Sino naman dito ang mga breeze?
Okay, so, with that, excited na ba kayo makita yung mga K-pop covers namin? Pero wait lang, inom po muna kami. Medyo nakakapagod po ito.
Mention niyo ba yung first song namin? Ayan, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, that was our debut song, Ghost, na nirelease po namin 5 months ago. And ayan, you can stream it sa lahat po ng mga digital platforms. And yeah, meron din po yan kasamang side B, The Day We Meet Again. So kung gusto niyo po ng mga ballad songs, you can stream it there po. Ayan.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Hindi namin marinig! Are you guys ready?
Yung mas malakas! Mas malakas mo ulit! Mas malakas sama! Yes!
Okay, so nag-enjoy ba kayo guys? Kami hindi ako makinga, sobrang nakakapagod na dalawang song. Okay, so with that, I'm ready to introduce to you our last song. This song is called Deja Vu. Sino dito nakakalam ng Deja Vu? Marami-rami din. Sino naman nakakalam ng fan chant ng Deja Vu? Marami din. Okay, are you guys ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you guys ready?
I think yes!
Love you.
Yun na, wish talaga ni El. Yung magkaroon ng trophy ni Family UN.
Bumay ko lang, hindi naman akin lang. Siyempre sa group din. Yes.
So, thank you so much po everyday sa walang tulog na pagboto para sa amin. Kahit hindi natin ako yung award ng natin, meron pa rin